guys, good morning. This is Ashvi. Welcome back to my channel. Say you remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset. Hey, say you remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset. Hey guys, good morning. This is my birthday morning and I prepared some yummy Gujju breakfast, which is papdi and curry. You also have this curry with fafda, famously known. So yeah. So guys, you all know it's my birthday morning और मेरा एक birthday vibe रहती है जब whenever you are near your birthday you feel very excited for some reason. Yeah, it's not always same for everyone. Even this time I don't feel so much like that proper vibe, but I am excited for what I'm gonna do today, and I'll be showing you all how I spend my birthday, and keep watching my video for knowing what I actually do. So I don't know why am I jumbling up words, maybe because it's just the morning. By the way, वो कुकर की सीटी चालू है क्योंकि रूटीन तो चालू ही रहेगा हमारा, because Samkit has to go office and I have to give the tiffin. Also guys, don't judge my hair or anything right now. सब बिखरा हुआ है. रात को मैं लेट भी सोई because छोटू सा सरप्राइज प्लान किया था संकित ने. So we did a kind of photo shoot and stuff and also cake cutting. So please don't mind my face. Also, I don't have anything on my face. Nothing means nothing. Not even washed my face, you know. एंड बस उठ के और फ्रेशन अप होके आई जस्ट कुकड, थोड़ा कुक करने रख दिया बाकी बिकॉज आई हैव टू गिव टिफिन. सो आई बिगिन माई डे. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please be a part of my journey and it means a lot to me. And also, don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next. So I'm ready for my birthday outing. This is my whole outfit. I'll just show you all. So the heels are from Shein, the pants are from Zara, the belt from Stradivarius, and the top is again from Shein. This is what I'm wearing. Also, I love my earrings. They are a kind of yoke off. They look so pretty. So we are now going to the point, and that's my husband beloved. So we just saw the largest fountain in the world, and now we're heading back for dinner, and then we'll go to the live music. So this is a clip of live music. I didn't want to record much because I was already too tired. Hey guys, so this is another day, and my birthday was really nice, awesome. I really loved all the things that happened on that day. So in the midnight, Samkit bought a cake for me. He decorated the house and I was super happy. Also, we clicked a lot of pictures. Like patiently he was clicking my pictures. Like that happened for the first time when he jellified my nakhras. Usually he does, but then sometimes वो गुस्सा आ जाता है. But this time he was quite normal. Like I couldn't even believe. Yeah, obviously I'm the birthday girl, it had to happen. So then the next morning I was super tired. I really wanted to sleep, and then I get a call from Samkit, you have to be ready at
5. Yeah, so be ready at 5. And then we went to the point where we saw the largest fountain. So in case if you haven't seen my video, I have linked it up and also in the description box below, so please have a look. The largest fountain, it is also inaugurated on 22nd October, so it was a really nice day, nice time when we visited, because not much people know about it, so I had to vlog that. So I have also attached the vlog in the description. Why did I say twice? I don't know, I've gone mad. Anyways, so getting back on the gifts, so the gifts which I'll be showing y'all, apart from that, Samkit also gifted me a spa voucher, because I really love massages and spa. I am a total spa person, so he gifted me that and I was really happy, but I haven't gone yet. So it has a validity of 3 months, so I'll be going whenever I want to. So yeah, let's get into the gift. So the first gift I got is from Zara, which is by my beloved husband. So he got me this dress from Zara, which I'm so waiting to wear somewhere. I don't know, I don't get this occasion, but it is super cute and yeah, it is really nice. So this is the dress. Then the second thing he got me, actually there is a funny story behind this. So I took him for shopping the other day and I told him something, I need jogger pants, or like I went to Zara, I showed him that I like this one but there was no size available. So he went to another branch of Zara and he actually bought me these. I am in love with these one. I mean, it gives you a perfect look, and also I am in love with this one. Seriously guys, I mean, I am so thankful for this guy. He actually got me. I love this. Also, I had posted on Instagram a story saying that, you know, I really love this one but I am not getting it, so you check my birthday vlog. So yeah, this is why I said check it. So I got this as a gift. Then I got something from Shein. So this is gifted by my sister. She got me this cute bag. It has a zip out here and it is really cute. I can also carry it this way or this way. Anyway, I can carry. Then she got me couriered out here, because in India it is banned, but she did it. I don't know how she managed to do this. Then she gifted me this puffed sleeve top, but it is kind of woolen material. So yeah, this is also very cute. Thank you, Pranali. Thanks for gifting me this. Then again, more clothes. I have a lot of clothes this time. So she got me this top. It's a crop top and it can go one shoulder top. So I really love the colors she chose. Then also this one shoulder top. So even this one, this is also very cute. Then Samkit also got me another gift. So this one was from Missguided. So I had shopped a little bag. I had gone to Missguided and I got 2-3 things from there. So then after coming home, मेरे को इतना पसंद नहीं आया. मेरे को यार ये कैसा दिख रहा है. मतलब उधर कुछ और दिख रहा था. ये तुम लोग के साथ कैसा होता है कि जब तुम ट्रायल रूम में होते हो और वो कुछ और दिखता है और जब तुम घर पे लेके आते हो तो कुछ और दिखता है. मेरे साथ ये हमेशा होता है. And फिर मैंने रिटर्न कर दिया. So and then he went there and he got me the same thing but in a different color because I had a color issue only. So I got these cute jogger pants. I wanted to order from Pretty Little Things but I couldn't. So this has a cuffed sleeve, cuffed leg, and I was so happy. Also, this came in a pair, so it came with this crop top. So yeah, I love it. Thank you so much. I really love you. And then one of my dearest friends, he got me this yoga mat, and this is from Roots. Okay, this is from Roots, and I'll just open it and I'll show you all. So he gave me this yoga mat. which is made up of organic material and it is biodegradable. This is very thoughtful gift, and if you're watching this video, thank you so much for this cute little gift and such a thoughtful gift. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much. Also, thank you so much for everyone who wished me and who made my day such a beautiful day. Also, the midnight, I also had conversations with my friends, my family. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also stay safe. Bye. Take care.